Hello, everybody. It's Steve with SBL Games. Hopefully, this camera does it justice and you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. But this fucking disaster is what we're up against today. This is why you do not DIY destroy yourself. If you don't know what you're doing, please contact your local technician, reputable licensed technician, and have them do the work. We obviously have a PS5 HDMI port replacement. It is going to be a salvage job, so this one's going to be fun. They really went in on this one. Alright, so gotta get our solder in place, and we could hit it with the heat and see what the hell we're up against. Hopefully it's not too bad. It looks pretty bad. It's gonna definitely need some jumpers. Definitely gonna need some jumpers. We don't know how many just yet, but hopefully not too many. Alright, so we got the solder in place. Let's go ahead and get the bad connector off. Well, bad connector job off. And then they obviously lost that diode. We'll need to replace that. So I was thinking about doing some kind of end of the year giveaway. I know I said I wasn't going to do any more free stuff for giveaways, but I really like it. But let me know what you guys think. Maybe free repair for Christmas, some type of Christmas giveaway. And then all the person has to pay is shipping both ways, if they're not local. But otherwise, you know, they get a warranty and everything just like a paying client would. But the work will be free. They just cover shipping. Tell me what you guys think. I'm also open to suggestions and ideas. I could always present stuff to the higher ups and see what they say. Alright, y'all, and this is the fucking disaster that we're up against. This is the disaster that we are up against, and it is fucking horrible. The only good thing is that somehow, through it all, that tiny little O201 cap survived. Surprisingly. Let's get this crap cleared out. And hopefully give it a rescue, man. It's kind of sad. The console abuse that I deal with is too much. Alright. Okay. It's not as bad as I thought it would be, but it's still pretty bad. I don't know, some of them don't look so healthy, though, the ones that are there. Alright, so that's what we're up against. A lot of these pads look brittle. I gotta take a look under the scope and see what I could salvage. forgot to prep that one pad. And then my SATA doesn't want to take. I need to clean my tip. There we go. Okay, so we are prepped for the port. The port itself is prepped. So let's get the port on. And then we could go ahead and do the, I believe it was 4 jumpers. Alright, so that is what we're looking at on the pins. I'm going to zoom in, hopefully it doesn't get crappy. So there we go, 4 jumpers. They did pass the continuity test, so we know that they are good. The remainder of the pins passed the tweezer test, so we know they're good. We got to get these posts in, and then we got to replace that missing diode. If you have a fume extractor, now's the time to turn it on. If you don't have one, get one and then use it. Have to be very careful. So this is something I've been coming across lately, a lot of, for some reason, but you could see the displacement in the liquid metal, and then I'm going to have to craft some type of thing to be able to put it together. They really did a number on this, doing some destroy it yourself. Alright, it's hard to tell with the lighting, but problem fixed. No more displacement. I even added a little extra liquid compound in there. Alright, I attempted to reassemble and then I remembered they screwed up the frickin' thermal pad. So now I have to engineer a thermal pad. So we shall return. We'll go ahead and engineer a thermal pad real quick. Alright, so this is what we've constructed. Hopefully it's good enough. So I went to reassemble and there's the cable missing. So we'll have to replace that as well. Jeez, this thing needs so much work. And we are back. Woo! Alright, we're good. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment, and if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe. Steve with SBL Games, signing out.